Hi, this is Larry Kaplan from MarineMax Brick here in Brick, New Jersey. This is our 2018 Galeon 485 HTS that we just took in on trade. Standing on 4-foot swim platform. That's a hydraulic swim platform with steps that do go down into the water. This boat is equipped with a small tender garage or storage area. This is one of Galeon's most popular express boats in the market today. Why don't you come aboard? Here in the cockpit of the boat, you have nice U-shaped seating with a nice sized table that is expandable. This is where you would do all of your outdoor dining. Nice under the nice shade of the cockpit shore shade awning. This boat does have an optional backup camera from Raymarine as well. And one of the nice features of this boat is going from the salon interior to the cockpit exterior. You just lower this right down. Bring more of the outside in. As the partition goes down into the hull. Yep. Here at the helm, you've got a nice steering wheel, double wide helm seat at 34 inches. You've got your cluster of Raymarine electronics, which is touchscreen, your Raymarine autopilot, your Volvo gauges, trim tabs, your Volvo throttles, and your IPS joystick. I'm going to show you how nicely this boat is with sunroof opened. As you can see, at 6 feet tall, I still have plenty of headroom above me, so I can drive this boat standing or seated with sunroof open or closed. Take a look at the nice expansive bow. There's 2 lounges up on the bow, along with an awning that goes over for sunshade as well. Why don't we go down into the cabin? Here in the cabin, this is the beige interior. You've got the table that expands and then positions into place to create additional seating capacity and also for putting things on the table. You've got beautiful 32-inch television. Going over to starboard side, you have your day head. Also notice the beautiful woodwork that Galeon is noted for. You've got the nice vessel sink, Tecma head. Going around in the galley area, you have great countertop space, Samsung convection oven. You've got an induction cooktop and sink that does have storage spot for the cover right behind it. Garage style doors on the cabinets. Why don't we go into the forward cabin, which is really impressive. I mean, look at the woodwork even up in the ceiling. You don't see woodwork like this in many homes. And this is a double berth, also with private access to the day head. Plenty of storage on the sides. And then when we make our way back to the master cabin, you can see that the centerline berth, beautiful space, nice settee on the port side of the boat, television built into the forward bulkhead, and then you can see a bank of storage cabinets all along the starboard side. This is the master head with separate stall shower. Really nice clean layout with plenty of visibility and plenty of light. Thank you very much for the quick tour of our Galeon 485 here at our brick location. You can always reach me at 732-840-2100. That's our brick store number, and look forward to speaking to you or about this boat or any other MarineMax listed boat. Thank you.